In this MailZone review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts at a one-time price with a free built-in SMTP and done-for-you templates. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MailZone, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. We've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new way for affiliate marketers to save $10,000 plus on email marketing. Send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts at super low one-time price with free inbuilt SMTP, excuse me, and free 100 plus done for you money making email swipes. Finally, you can stop spending thousands of dollars on unreliable autoresponders by switching to this affiliate-friendly autoresponder platform. So essentially, it's an autoresponder, has an SMTP built in. That means, if for those of you that don't understand, a lot of times you'll see these autoresponders sold and then they tell you that you need to use something else to send emails with, whether it's using the hosting company that you use or whether you're going to pay for a service in order to put it into the autoresponder, and that allows you to send emails with it. But this one has it built right into the platform already, again, for a one-time price. So they say here you can send unlimited emails, you can have unlimited subscribers, you're going to have an easy drag and drop builder, reports and analytics. Now they have some screenshots of proof of things done with email marketing. So I'm actually fine with that. They're not saying that they necessarily use this autoresponder because I have no proof about that, but they're showing money that they've made from email marketing. Email marketing is very profitable. It's one of the best ways of getting traffic that I know of. So if you should be doing some sort of email marketing, it says step one, get, step two, set it up, and then step three, profit. Of course, your profit's going to depend upon what you're doing. Well, it's also going to depend upon the size of your email list, etc. So you can see here more income proof of them making money. And again, that's fine, just that they're making money from email marketing. Now, they do compare this to other platforms out there like Aweber, GetResponse, Sendinblue, Mail, and MailZone, of course. These other ones are yearly prices, and then MailZone is just $17 one time. And they've got all kinds of extra bonuses and whatnot. Let me scroll down here to the bottom, so I'm not going to go over everything with you here today. But if you purchase, you'll have access to the software. And what I want you to do, and nine times out of 10 this works, move your mouse away when you're on the sales page. You'll probably get some kind of a discount. Now, I make less money as an affiliate by showing that to you, but I always want you to get the lowest prices. So please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is play you a video showing you a little bit more about this, and then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hey, good morning, my friend. This side Subhas Yadav here, and in this video, we are going to give you full depth demo about my new product called MailZone, and basically it is cloud-based application where you can send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber, and it is one of the world #1 autoresponder software. Okay, so if you're using this software, then you don't need to buy any other softwares. So please stay with me just 2 minutes and I will give you full depth review. So let's log in each. Okay, so we enter our name and password. So you can see we have our technical teams and developer team design very beautiful and very user friendly, so you can use very easily, and every single steps you will get instructions options where you will understand everything. Okay, so let's talk about welcome. First, you will get welcome message. And using MailZone, you will be able to create email list, customize them indirectly, and add subscribers to create and send a limited to enjoy every details stay area to each of your campaigns. Let's get started. Okay, so email list. In order to start sending email list, you should start by creating your first email list. So once you click on here, then you will go to and create your first email list name. Okay, your email list identify you as a sender and in your information, and allow you to take various decisions related to your subscriber. Okay, And subscribers, once your email list is created, next step is to start importing your subscriber into the email list. By the way, if you don't have subscriber, if you don't have any subscriber, then you can upload your CSV file on here. And also if you don't have, then you can use the other software to generate a lots of email data for your online business. Okay, so and you can see subscribers, and next step campaigns, how you can send your campaign. Finally, after your list is created and you have added your subscriber list into, it is time to create your first campaign. You will be able to select the list want to, so you can take your time and read it. Okay, and email templates. Okay, and we have designed a lot of email templates, so we are going to close right now. Okay, so we have sent some emails previously, and you can see we have got amazing result. And you can see this is dashboard of the trackers, where you can track your campaigns, your list, your subscriber, your template. Okay, which template you are using. So first of all, we are going to talk about list. So let's talk on here. You can see this is the list option, where you can create your list and import your import list on your subscribers to on this software. Okay, so you can see we have mentioned the overview and copy and update and import list and archives. Okay, and delete. So if you want to create a new list, simply click on here, and you can see this is the best. We have designed very beautifully, and you can see you can put your name list like MailZone uh, new list. Okay, and you can put a description, and so you want to put single opt-in or double opt-in, and it is depend on your email. I am recommending you should use your business email. Okay, because business email gives you best delivery rate, and your business email avoid to deliver your email campaigns to your subscriber spam folder. Okay, so this is really important features. So you can see on here everything. Okay, everything is uh, unique, and also you can put your company details, and you can name and everything. Okay, so this is the one options. And second is assigning subscribers and everything. So you can see if you want to import, this tool allow you to split a big list into multiple smaller ones. Please note that subscriber from the selected list will be moved into new list. Okay, so note copy. And you can see if you want to do a sign with your other list, maybe some subscriber have, and you want to sign it with say some campaigns, then you can use this. Okay, so every single option we have add instructions, so you don't need to worry. It is very easy to use cloud-based application. Okay, and it is the best autoresponder and best user friendly. So let's talk about, once you upload the create and upload list, after then let's talk about how you can upload the list. This is very simple. You can click on here, and this is the import option, and you can click on here and import your CSV file on here. So that is super simple. If you do not have database, then you can put your customer names and everything on here. You can upload a single email. Okay, and let's talk about emails campaigns. So we have regular emails, autoresponder, group, vendor, and states, and custom text, and everything. So by the way, if you want to send one by one email template, then you should click on here, and you can put the campaign name, new test. Okay, and choose the list. That is very simple, and click the save option. And by the way, you can put you can save and next, and you can see you can type your headline, new subject, and that is very simple. Okay, you're so unique and very simple. And you can see you can put your text on here, and you can put your text on here. This is very we have you can customize, like if you 1 minute, you look here. If you want to put a bold, you can do it on here. And if you want to add the link, and then you can add any link on here. Okay, So that is very super simple. So you can use this. So once you purchase, then you will understand how you can use this option. Okay. And after then you need to do, and some you can see some tag you would not need to forget. So we will give you a full depth on inside training. Okay. And let's talk about regular training and our autoresponders. You can see, so you can set autoresponder on here, and you can set up groups and send emails, send groups, states, custom tags, abuse complaints. So you can put a keyword where you can avoid some spams emails. Okay. And email templates, so you will get category template and everything. Okay. And server, so delivery server, bounce rate, feedback will loop server, um, servers, email box monitors, and also you can add your personal domain and here about training videos. Okay. And support and done for you email save files. Okay. And API and everything. So we have done everything. Also you can see here you can manage your subscription and account on here. Okay. So this is your account and your company details, and you can list, you can import and export your list. That is very super simple. Okay. And here have some your account details. Okay. List and campaigns, and you will get some messages from our developers, and the best part is you will get full support. Okay. So I hope you understand this amazing software. So if you have any questions, then contact my support team and contact me. And if you are not by this huge cloud-based autoresponder, then go to buy now, because it is a one-time launch of launch price, and you will send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber. And my best support team help you if you're getting problem anywhere. Okay. And we have step-by-step training videos about how you can use this software, and also we have a great opportunity to make a lot of money through MailZone. Okay. So this is secret trick and secret system we have created from the last 8 months. So hope this is really beneficial for you. So go to and access this, and we are meet you inside members area. So thank you, my friend, for watching this. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are back here. Now, this is what the backend area is going to look like when you log in. I'm logged into my affiliate account here. So you log in, you have everything all included in here, everything that you need in order to start sending your emails with the system. Now, they do have multiple upgrades. The first one here, it says unlock 4 powerful features with this. So this is going to give you, it looks like automation here. It's going to allow you to do follow-up emails, premium templates, and more with this one. Normally it's 37, but of course what I want you to do, I don't think it's a mouse move away, but I think if you go down here and you click the no thanks button, here we go. There's a downsell. So you can get a $10 discount off. Again, I make less money by showing you these discounts. Smash that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, next one here is the max version. So this is going to increase your delivery rates, they say here. So they're going to give you a dedicated IP address so other people can't mess up your IP. This one normally is 67 one time, but we are smart and we are going to go and hit that no thanks button on this one as always. And you get a $20 off discount on that one. Next one here is you can get an email marketing expert to optimize your account for you. Normally $97. You can get $30 off that one. Next one here is you can get a reseller license to charge 500 people $97 monthly for an autoresponder. Now this one's obviously more, it's 147, but of course you've got me finding these discounts for you. Click that no thanks button, you get $50 off this one. And the last one here is you can launch your own email marketing company here with this one. And this was going to be, of course, more expensive, 97. If we do our little trick here, you can get this, you can get a $30 off discount. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about MailZone and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, I personally prefer to use monthly and yearly email marketing software. The reason is I know that they have an incentive to keep it running and to keep it going and to make it better. So if you've got a lot of money and you've got you don't mind paying monthly for it and you've got a budget for it, then normally these monthly services tend to be more reliable. What do I like about it? If you're someone that's on a budget, if you want a backup autoresponder, if you don't want to spend monthly for your autoresponder and you've got a really small list right now, it just doesn't really make sense to you, then this could be an opportunity to keep your expenses down and have a one-time autoresponder. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MailZone, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.